elephant. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. F is for fish, fish. G is for giraffe, giraffe. G is for giraffe, giraffe. H is for horse, horse. H is for horse, horse. I is for ice cream, ice cream. I is for ice cream, ice cream. J is for jaguar, jaguar. J is for jaguar, jaguar. K is for kite, kite. K is for kite, kite. L is for lion, lion. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. N is for nest, nest. O is for owl, owl. O is for owl, owl. P is for penguin, penguin. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for queen, queen. Q is for queen, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for snake, snake. S is for snake, snake. T is for turtle, turtle. T is for turtle, turtle. U is for unicorn, unicorn. U is for unicorn, unicorn. V is for vulture, vulture. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for whale, whale. W is for whale, whale. X is for xylophone, xylophone. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yak, 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 yak for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we've sung from A to Z. Learning letters is fun, you see. The alphabet song is complete. Goodbye and see you next time.